হ্যাঁ স্যার,
রেকর্ডিং
মোটামুটি
করতে গেলে
ভালোই ব্লার
ব্লারই
আসে।
আসছে।
Let's do
স্যার
presentation.
আমি
See
আজকে
what.
একটু দেখতে পাচ্ছি স্যার গত দিনের চেয়ে।
আর আপনার ইন্টারনেট আজকে যথেষ্ট ফাস্ট এই কারণে। So let's try present. See what. Is it clear now? Better?
উল্টা দেখাচ্ছে মানে স্যার
হ্যাঁ, ওটা ঠিক
উল্টা
করছি।
দেখাচ্ছে।
ওটা ঠিক করছি। ওকে?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So before starting the formal definition of non-deterministic finite automata, let's talk about some of my observation on NFA. Those are actually I discovered from my experience, and those are correct. First thing is non-deterministic finite automata or NFA should accept all the strings belongs to language. So this should be a must. Am I right? If all strings belongs to a language does not accept it by a finite automata, then what is the point of creating a finite automata? Am I right or not? Am I right?
Yeah.
If I cannot accept all the strings belongs to language, then what is the point of drawing finite automata? There is no point of drawing the finite automata then. So it must accept all the strings belongs to language. Now let's come to second one. We are don't care about all strings not belongs to it. We are don't care. Remember this word. It's a funny word. We are don't care about all strings not belongs to it.
So স্যার আমার রিজেক্টিং মানে স্ট্রিং গুলা অ্যাকসেপ্ট করব?
Now, don't care means that is
Sir.
next point. Should accept all strings belongs to language. Second point is we are don't care about all strings belongs to language. So what is don't care? That means we are not caring about the rejecting strings. We are not caring about the rejected strings, whether they are rejected or not rejected. We are not care about those strings. But no way we can accept any string not belongs to language. Did you understand the point? This is the don't care. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So should accept all strings belongs to language. That is a must. We are don't care about all strings not belongs to language. But in don't caring, we must ensure a registered string cannot be accepted.
স্যার ডিএফএ তে কি এক অয়েল ছিল স্যার নট বিলংস টু এল স্ট্রিং গুলোর জন্য।
DFতে
স্যার এখানে যেমন যে নো ওয়ে উই ক্যান অ্যাকসেপ্ট এনি স্ট্রিং নট বিলংস টু এল।
yes, no way ছিল।
স্যার ওখানে তো অয়েল ডিএফএ তে।
হ্যাঁ, so ডিএফতে কি ছিল? ডিএফতে ছিল হচ্ছে গিয়ে strings belongs to language accepted, strings
Not belongs
not
to
belongs to rejected. Very, very determined about accepting strings and rejecting strings. In NFA, things are a little bit different. Should accept all strings, same thing. But we don't care about all strings not belongs to language. We don't care whether we are rejecting or not. But no way we can accept any strings not belongs to language. That means if you don't care, the don't care should not be something that so that a string not belongs to language is getting accepted. Is that clear to you? Let's give an example, then it will get clear. So let's take my alphabet is A, B. My language is all strings start with A. Now, what would be the NFA? We don't care about rejecting string. We are going to only accept the accepting strings. So, all strings starts with A. At this stage, if I get A, I would believe that is the
B.
beginning of A. Then, whatever I get later, I'm going to accept it. This is the NFA. Did you get it? Now tell me a string which belongs to language.
Sir, A.
So, A.
Let's take A, B, A. Then what happened? A, B, A. Start from A. After seeing A, I'm going to B. After seeing another A, I will remain in B. After seeing another B, I will remain in B. After seeing A, I would go to B. So this is the final state. So I'm going to accept it. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's take a string which does not belong to this language. What is that? BA, BA. So BA, BA. We start from A. Then after getting B, there is no move. That means whatever happen. I don't care. Did you get it? So this is called non-determinism.
স্যার এখানে ডির স্টেপটা তাহলে নাই মানে হচ্ছে যেখানে
Which
ডিটারমিনেন্ট
Which state?
স্যার রিয়া
Which state are you talking about?
স্যার ইয়া ইনিশিয়াল স্টেটে যখন আমরা বি দিব বা সাপোজ মানে আমরা ডির স্টেপ যখন ক্রিয়েট করব তখন এটা হচ্ছে ডিএফএ হ্যাঁ বাট এনএফএ
Which one is
Initial-
DFA? Which one is DFA?
এখানে কিন্তু ডিএফএ না ডিএফএ বলতে আমি বলতেছি যে ডিএফ এর সাথে এনএফ এর সাথে জাস্ট একটাই হচ্ছে যে ডিএফ হচ্ছে স্যার আমরা ডিডি স্টেটে আছে বাট এনএফএ ডিডি স্টেট
সব ডিএফএ তো ডেথ স্টেট থাকে না। অনেক ডিএফএ তে তো ডেথ স্টেট থাকে না। অনেক ডিএফএ তে তো ডেথ স্টেট থাকে না। হ্যাঁ, এটা আপনি বলতে ইউ ক্যান সে দ্যাট if a DFA contains death state, we can discard death state in NFA. That is true. That is a good observation. But there are many DFAs which does not have any death state. So how can you classify NFA and DFA just using only death state? It is not possible. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
There are many DFAs which does not have death state. So that is not a good solution. Good solution is we don't care about strings not belongs to language. In this case, BA not belongs to language. Now see what happens. We start from A, then we cannot go anywhere. That means non-determinism. We don't care. But somehow, if a string not belongs to language, it also ends up in B, then there is a problem. Did you get it? A string not belongs to B, if ends in B, there is a problem. There is a problem. Then actually your NFA is wrong. Okay? Then your NFA is wrong. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
That is the call NFA. Now let's go to formal definition.
স্যার DAB টা একটু বলবেন স্যার একবার যখন
B থেকে start from, let's start from A. Then where should we go?
শুরু হলো
What
কি
should
স্যার
we-
এটা যাবে না কোথাও
That means I don't care. That means I don't care. That means I don't care. Am I right? That means I don't care. I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
caring about that.
স্যার তাহলে
Yes, sir.
কি আমি ওই
That-
স্টেটেই থাকবো স্যার?
এটাকে আর ওই স্টেট বলে না, এটাকে বলে হল্টিং কন্ডিশন। হল্টিং কন্ডিশনটা হচ্ছে এরকম, আপনারা একটু জটিল করে ফেলছেন। আমার স্ট্রিংটা তো কোথাও আছে, তাই তো? একটা বাফারে আছে। Am I right?
Yes, sir.
কোন একটা জায়গা থেকে রিড করছি, তাহলে প্রথম আমার হেডটা হচ্ছে কি বি এর উপর। Am I right? স্ট্রিংটা আমরা তো রিড করছি, আমরা যখন কাগজে কলমে, whenever we do it pen and paper, we read this string, right? In this case, what happened? I start from A, reading A, I go to second A, I reading A, then I go to third B, then I go to fourth A, then I'm done. This is the end of the string. Done. And I'm in the final state. That means I'm going to accept it. Right? But in this case, what happened? My head is on B, then head cannot move. Head cannot move. That means it is halted. It is halted. It is halted. Head cannot move. That means it is halted, and where it halted? It halted on a non-final state. That's why it is rejected. Or you can say we are non-deterministic about that. Is that clear to you?
জি স্যার ক্লিয়ার স্যার
Because আমি তো পুরোটা পড়তেই পারছি না. I cannot read the first to last. So how can I accept that one? Simple.
আর স্যার প্রবলেমটা কি বললেন স্যার? ends in b
কোনটা? এখন somehow মনে করেন একটা string does not belongs to language. Let's say B B B B A A. It does not belongs to language. Okay. Am I right or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Somehow যদি এটা যদি start state থেকে starting reading from here, if it reaches to final state, then there is a problem. Then you are accepting a string which does not belongs to language. So it cannot be happen. So this is the catch. But no way we can accept any string not belongs to L. Did you get it? It is little bit complicated, NFA definition, but that is the correct definition of it. Do you have
স্যার
any
আমরা আর
question?
দু একটা এক্সাম্পল দেখি স্যার তাহলে হয়তো
স্যার এখানে কি বোঝা
Example, before example, yeah, please. Go
এটা কি
ahead.
বোঝা যাবে স্যার ডিএফএ নাকি এনএফএ এই এক্সাম্পলটা?
অবশ্যই বোঝা যাবে এটা যে এনএফএ জিএফএ না, এটা অনেকগুলো কারণ আছে। কারণটা বলেন, একটা কারণ আছে এখানে। What is
এতে
that
বি
কারণ?
এর ইয়াটা নেই বি
B
এর
এর কি নাই?
ট্রানজিশনটা
B এর তো ট্রানজিশন দুটেই আছে। B has transition on A, A এর একটা নাই। So it is definitely it is not DFA. Definitely it is not DFA. Right? Now let's go to formal definition of NFA. How can we define finite automata? How can we define finite automata? Using quintuple. What are the quintuples? Q,
Q,
sigma,
সিগমা ডেল্টা
delta,
কিউ
Q naught,
Q naught,
F.
F.
In DFA, what is delta? Delta is nothing but
Q into-
transition function. It's the function.
Yes.
Okay? And it is from Q cross sigma to
Q.
it is the domain. This is the
Codomain.
in NFA, delta is a relation. That means Q cos sigma related to it Q. That is the difference. It's a relation. Did you buy it?
স্যার নোমোরা ফাংশন
পরে আসছে সেটা। All functions are relations. Can you remember?
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes, sir.
All functions are kind of relation, but there are some relations which are not function. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. তখন more than
Yes. So wait. So DFA is a subset of NFA. Do you agree with me on that? Because whenever we draw a DFA, definitely it is a NFA. Because function is a relation. Am I right?
ইয়েস স্যার
If you
Yes,
go to
sir.
the definition, the set function is like this, and these functions are all inside relation. But there are some relations which are not function. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Now, if you map this one, this function is nothing but DFA, and there outside there is NFA. Am I right? So DFS, all DFS are inside NFA. So DFA is a subset of NFA.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you? Because DFA is inside NFA, because function is inside relation. Yes, that is true. But there are some relations which are not function. So there are some NFS which are not DFS. Okay? Okay. Now, if I have a function like this, let's say it is my A, this is my B. A, B, C, X, Y. Is it a function? Is it a
Yeah.
function?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It is a function. How can I break this one? How can I break this one? This function relation?
Sir, A more than
Sir, X.
মনে করেন এটা দুইভাবে ব্রেক করা যায় কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1 ব্রেকিং কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1 and breaking question number 2 two way. What is, how can we break the question number 1, the $1 million question?
Sir, use
আরেকটা এলিমেন্ট
all
যোগ
elements
করে দিলাম।
A more than
A use.
X.
আরেকটা এলিমেন্ট যোগ করার দরকার নেই, I did not use C. Is it fine?
আচ্ছা।
Sir,
I did not use C. Not function C. So it is not function because 1 is actually false. The $1 million question number 1 is false. Am I right? And how else I can break the function relation?
এর যে কোনো একটা এলিমেন্ট থেকে আরেকটা রিলেশন
আরেকটা যাবে। Okay, good. So A to Y আছে। Am I right? So question number 2 becomes true. Question number 2 becomes true. There are more than one straight line goes from any element in A to B. So it becomes true. So that's why it is not function. So these are the two way. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
in this case, definitely it is not a DFA. Am I right? Why it is a NFA? Which one is broken out here? Question number 1 or 2?
কজ এখানে রিলেশন আছে কিন্তু এটা ফাংশন না।
A, B,
function না কিন্তু কোনটা
A,
break
A,
out
B.
হয়েছে?
the first question.
Question
A,
number
B
1
use.
is breakout. Question number A is breakout. Why? I have transition on A comma A. I don't have transition on A comma B. Am I right? B comma A has transition. B comma B has transition. A comma A has transition, but this one does not have. That's why I did not use one of the member in the domain. Member in the domain. Am I right? So that's why it is not a DFA. It is a NFA. Is that concept clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's move to next one. Acha, so is the first 2 points getting clear? This one, the definition of this. Should accept all strings belongs to language. Is that clear to you guys? Should accept all strings belongs to language. Definition of finite automata. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Here we are accepting all the strings belongs to language. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
How about the second one? We don't care about all string not belongs to language. We don't care. For example, BBA, we don't care. But don't caring should not be like that any string not belongs to language is also getting accepted. How this could be possible? Let's do this. Let's give a bad example of first one. What is the first language I'm talking about? What is the first language I'm talking about? Sigma is A comma B. Language is all strings start with A. All right? All string starts with A.
Yes, sir.
What is my NFA? This is my NFA, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's draw another state. Is it a NFA for that language or not?
Yeah.
Is it an NFA for or not?
No, sir.
দুইটা স্টেট করা কি
But the final state is nil, sir.
There is no problem. If this state, let's say A, B, C, AA has move on B and AA has move on C. But there is no problem. It does not break out the definition of relation. Still, it can be a relation. Am I right?
স্যার এটা এনএফএ হবে স্যার।
It's an NFA. Of course, it's an NFA. I mean, NFA কথাই বলছি. Is it a correct NFA or not?
Yes, sir, because yeah, মানে double side গেছে B and C.
Yeah. So it is not a function, not function.
It's not-
But definitely it is a relation. Definitely it is a relation, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And all the strings belongs to language can be accepted. If I don't go this way, if I always go to this way, I can accept it. Am I right?
Yes.
I have alternatives. For example, A, B. I can go from A to C, then C to C, and C to C. It is possible, but also possible I can go from A to B, 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 and B is the final state. So this one is also possible. So still I have a hope, I have a path to accept that one. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So definitely it is an NFA. If there is only one path exists, it is NFA. But how about this? If I now put a B over here, is it NFA?
স্যার এনএফএ স্যার বাট
It is
ইটস
still
অলসো
NFA. It is still
Yes, sir.
NFA. All the strings are accepting here using this state, and other strings are rejecting here using this state. So no problem about that one. But how about this? If I now write A comma B, is it a NFA?
নো,
Why not is it NFA?
কারণ স্যার এখানে আমি
B দিয়ে
বি দিয়ে তো স্যার ফাইনাল স্টেটে যাচ্ছে এই জন্য স্যার।
ওয়ান্ডারফুল। তার মানে আমরা এখানে এমন কিছু স্ট্রিং আছে যেমন বি বি এ, ইয়েস, ইফ আই ফলো এ টু সি, সি টু সি, সি টু সি, we are rejecting. But if we flow another path, A to B, then B to B, and B to B, then we are accepting it. So it is a violation of which one? It's a violation of which one? It's a violation of this one. We don't care about all strings not belongs to language. That is fine, but no way we can accept any string. But here, in that second diagram, we are accepting some string which does not belong to language. Am I right? Right or not?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it is not NF. So it would not no longer become NF. Is the concept clear to you guys? এখন drawing which one is easy, DFA or NFA? Drawing which one?
NFA, so
Drawing NFA is easier, but my students are always getting flipped. They always think that drawing DFA is easy. No, actually NFA drawing is easy. All right, so
স্যার আমার আসলে স্ট্রিংটা আবার একটু বাজে হয়ে গেছে, আমি লাস্টে একটু দেখতে পাই স্যার এনএফএটা স্যার কেন এখানে হলো না স্যার, একটু আরেকবার যদি বলতেন।
NFA হলো না কারণ
জি 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 লাস্ট
BBA can be also accepted if we follow this path. A to B, then B to B, then B to B, and B to B. Then I'm in a final state. Am I right? So I'm accepting a string which does not belong to language. Am I right?
জি স্যার জি স্যার
So that's why it is not a finite automata, in fact. It is not a finite automata. And definitely it is not NFA. Is it clear?
জি স্যার
The simple thing is any NFA, you have to accept all the strings belongs to language. but no way you can accept any strings not belongs to language. Okay? That is the point. That is the catch. Got it? Okay. So let's move to the next point.
স্যার সিটা যদি ফাইনাল স্টেট হতো তাহলে কি হতো স্যার?
Theta final state হলে আরো ম্যাচ হতে হবে। Theta final state হলে এটা not NFA. NFA. It is not NFA because it is accepting both way this string.
Yes, sir.
Not okay. So let's take another example. Let's take this one. All strings and with B. So how can I draw this? So this is my start state.
যদি স্যার বি পায়
This is my start state.
yes,
I don't care what I get, A or B. I'll get the last B. I'm going to final state. Done. I took the initial state. I don't care as the beginning how many A or B I got. Finally, I get the last B. I'm in the final state. Is it a DFA?
No, sir. Final state.
Why it is not DFA?
Final state does not have transition on the
That is one point. That means all the elements. Wait. All the elements in the domain are not used. So violation of question number 2.
B A transition.
Violation of question number 1. And
Please
what
proceed.
about this? Here also there is a violation. What is that?
B A transition দুইটা sir.
So it is actually violation of question number 2. It is no DF. But is it a NFA? Let's take a string which ends with B. BBA, BB. So what can I do? How can I transform? How can I move?
বি তে যাবে,
Okay, এটা একটা চমৎকার question. Starting from A, I'm reading B. Then I go where? If I go to B, then what happened? I try to read B. Can I read more?
no sir,
Then it is halted. And my string is not finished here. That means it is going to do what? It's going to do what? I cannot read anymore.
Sir,
I cannot read anymore. So what would happen in this case?
sir, rejecting. Yes, sir.
Rejected. Good. But now try another one. Instead of going to B at the very beginning, I will remain in A. Okay? Then again I will remain in A. Then I will remain A. Then I will remain A. Finally, for the last B, I move to B. Now, what type of state is this? Final state. And I'm done with reading the string. So, what would happen in this case? Accepted. Did you get it? The beauty of NFA.
বি এর জন্য কেন মুভ করলো না স্যার?
স্যার বি তে হলে এ তে যাবে না বি তে কেমনে বুঝবো?
Good. কিভাবে বুঝবো? এই বুঝতে না পারার জন্য এটাকে বলে নন ডিটারমিনিস্টিক। Did you understand?
না স্যার
আমরা বুঝতে পারবো না। We cannot know which path I have to choose. So that's why it is non-deterministic. Did you get it?
স্যার এটাও তো মনে হয় বুঝতে কষ্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
বুঝতে হবে এটা। Simple. DFA is like you have only one path. You have only one path to accept or reject. NFA is you have multiple paths. You have to search to find out the correct path. Is it clear to you? Done?
স্যার রিলেশন হয় কেন এটা চেক করলে তো স্যার
অলওয়েজ সার্চ করতে থাকবো মানে ফাইন স্টেজে যাওয়ার জন্য।
হ্যাঁ, রিলেশন চেক করলে তো উই ক্যান আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড whether it is a DFA or NFA.
জি
But
স্যার
drawing NFA is little bit complicated. Or people always say it is simple, but if you don't understand the rules, it has become complicated. So this is are the rules. You have to accept all the strings belongs to language. And second point is you don't care about rejecting strings, but no way they are going to be accepted. Okay? So we have two choices here, two paths here. If we go to path number 1, we are going to be rejected this string. And if we go to path number 2, we are going to accepting the string. So we are going to take the second path. So that's why we are non-deterministic here. That's why it is an NFA. Did you get it?
স্যার পাথ নাম্বার 2 তে যখন বি পাচ্ছি তখন মুভ কেন করলো না স্যার?
করলো না কারণ আমি এটা অ্যাকসেপ্ট করতে চাই, এই কারণে। আমার গোল হচ্ছে অ্যাকসেপ্ট করা, সেই কারণে আমি গেলাম না। আমি যদি ওইটা চয়েস করি আমি রিজেকশনে চলে যাব, বাট আই হ্যাভ অল্টারনেটিভস টু অ্যাকসেপ্ট দ্যাট ওয়ান, দ্যাটস ওয়াই আই গো টু দ্যাট। ডান। Think this logically, completely logical,
স্যার
100% logical. Let's take this, sir.
স্যার
Let's take. Wait. Let me finish. Let's take this, sir. You are here. Okay. You want to get this apple. So after coming to here, how many paths do you have?
1
sir.
Two paths.
You have one this path, you have another this path. If you go to this path, you are outside. You cannot get the apple. If you follow this path, you will get the apple. So if you want to get the apple, which path you are going to choose?
স্যার যেদিকে আপেল আছে সেদিকে
Left side path. Left side path. The same thing is happening here. I want to accept this string. I have two paths. If I choose the first path, I cannot accept it. If I choose the second path, I can accept it. That's why I'll take the second path. Did you understand?
স্যার যদি ফার্স্ট পাথ হয় তাহলে কি এটা এনএফএ হবে? কারণ স্ট্রিংটা তো বিলং করে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে।
হ্যাঁ, আমার ইয়ারটা তো ইয়ার ক্ষেত্রে ছিল। আমার ওভারহেডটা ছিল নন অ্যাকসেপ্টিং স্ট্রিং এর জন্য। অ্যাকসেপ্টিং স্ট্রিং এর জন্য তো কোনো ওভারহেড নাই। We should accept somehow. Let's call it somehow. Now is that clear?
রিজেক্টিং প্যাথে গেলে তো স্যার হচ্ছে না,
কোনটা রিজেক্টিং?
মানে রিজেক্টিং প্যাথটা চুজ করলে স্যার।
Somehow I add somehow over here. I add somehow here. Somehow
ওকে স্যার।
you are going to accept that one. কিন্তু ওভারহেড তো নাই, কিন্তু রিজেকশন একটা ওভারহেড আছে, সেটা হচ্ছে দে ক্যানট বি অ্যাকসেপ্টেড। অলরাইট, আপনার ভাষায় একটু ভাবেন তাহলে বুঝে ফেলবেন জিনিসটা।
স্যার
সিম্পলি চিন্তা
এনএফএ
করেন।
থেকে স্যার এনএফএ থেকে ডেথ সেট হয়।
আমরা কিছু ড্র করি তারপর আরো আলোচনা করি। In NFA, wait. In NFA, you have lot of options. In DFA, you don't have any options. In NFA, you can always disregard that state. But if you keep this state, no problem. Okay? Now let's do another one. My sigma is A, B. My language is all strings contain A. What would be the NFA? What would be the algorithm? What would be the algorithm?
এটা কি হোল্টেড থাকবে স্যার?
What happened? How can we accept this one using an NFA? At the start state, we don't care how many A or B I got. Then I got a A, that is my desired A, then I don't care how many A or B I got. So this is my NFA. Did you get it?
জি স্যার।
So take any string. Take any string. Let's say A, B, B. If you start with this state A, then if you go to still remain in A, if you still remain in A, if you still remain in A, then it is not final state. So you are going to reject it. But we have alternatives. How can I do that now? A, B, B. Starting from A, seeing A, if I go to B, then if I remain in B, then I'm in final state. So I'm going to exit. So that is the NFA. Did you get it?
Yes.
Now let's come to the another important aspect. We have already seen DFA. All DFAs are equivalent to NFA. All DFA are equivalent to NFA. So any DFA can be considered as a NFA. Somehow, if we convert any NFA to DFA, then what is the meaning of this?
রিলেশনটা অবশ্যই ফাংশন হতে হবে।
All DFA are NFA. But if I give a NFA, somehow if you can convert it to equivalent DFA, then what is the meaning of this relation? They are equal in power. Equal in power. So now we are going to do that. How can we convert any NFA to DFA? At first tell me which one I'm going to take. Which one you want to see the DFA? Which one I will take? Which example?
This one, let's start with this one.
Last take, okay, man. NFA 2. So let's draw at first state condition table. Table would be better. On the leftmost column, I should have all the states. So how many states do I have?
Two states, sir. A and B.
A and B. A is the start state, B is the final state. How many letters in the alphabet? A and B.
A and B.
What is the transition for A, capital A, for small a?
So
A and also
going
B.
to A.
So we'll write this way. Okay. Now, what is the transition of A on B?
A.
B has
A.
B. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, see, this is the procedure before writing the formal algorithm. We'll start from start state. Okay. Then A has movement on A is A comma B. So we merge these two. Sorry. We merge these two. If we merge these two, what do we get? AB. Am I right? Union
Yes.
these two. We get AB. And A has B, A. So A is done. Now, what is the next one I need to encounter? AB. So what would be the AB? You will take AB here, then merge all the entries in A and B. So what would be the union? Take A and
A,
B.
B.
All the entries in AB should be union. So what would be the
So
result?
A and B. A and B.
A and B,
A, B.
and also merge all the entries in B. Then it would become AB.
Again,
A,
A.
B.
So we are done. So AB is done. So no more movement. So this should be my start state. That's fine. And whichever new state contain the initial final state, that would be my final state. So AB is my final state. Now what would be the, so now this one is NFA, this one becomes DFA. Definitely it is a DFA. Am I right? This one is a DFA. Am I right?
স্যার মার্চ করলাম কেন স্যার?
March column cannot. Let's postpone that one. We'll talk later. So it has become a DFA, right? So A has movement on A comma B, AB has movement comma A comma B. So what would be the new finite automaton? A, AB, then A, seeing A should go to here, B. Now we'll be back to our original diagram. See, we already solved this problem. So this is my equivalent. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Now, why this method is correct? That is the question, right? Why it is correct? Am I right? Is the conversion clear to you guys?
স্যার কনভার্টটা আবার একটু বলবেন স্যার কাইন্ডলি, কনফিউজিং লাগছে অনেক স্যার।
A is the start state, B is the final state. A has movement on A comma B. So merge, union. If we union A and B, what do you get? If we union A and B, what do you get? If we merge A and B, what do you get?
Put.
এবি
Huh? AB. So AB is there. And here is only single A. So A. Now let's go over here. So A is done. Now new state has been created. AB. So let's write AB here. Now A and B. A has movement on A is A comma B. B has movement on A, B. So if you merge these three, A comma B comma B, what do you get?
এবি অলসো।
AB. And if you go to B, B has on A, B has B on B. So if you merge these two, what do you get? AB.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Did you get it? So done. We don't have any more movements because we are complete here.
স্যার ফাইনাল
So-
স্টেটটা কইছে
Initial data final state. নতুন টেবিলে all the entries which contains B should be final state. Done? Now the question is why it is correct. Can you tell me why this one is correct? It is producing correct answer. But why this is producing correct answer? Why it is producing correct answer? Tell me.
It should be a function. Function of it.
Why it is producing correct answer? See. What is the transition relation here? What is the transition relation here? A comma A related to what? A comma A related to A. A comma A related to also B. A comma B related to
A.
A. B comma A related to
B.
B comma B.
So
B comma B related to B. So only here there is a problem. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So somehow, instead of writing A and B differently, if we merge these two, then what happens? A comma A belongs to AB, only single state. Is it clear to you?
জি স্যার।
Now I have to find out transition on AB. So how can I find transition on AB? So AB has transition A and B. A and B. On A, transition is what? A, B, B. So we can write AB. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
And A, another one, A on B. What is the transition? A, so there is no problem. Now, A and B. A and B on B. So A and B on B. What is the transition? merge of A and B. So it is nothing but AB. That means we are converting relation to function. So we are did this thing. Is it clear to you guys? Is it clear to you guys?
স্যার বেসিকটা স্যার ফার্স্টে বুঝছিলাম যে রিলেশনটাকে ফাংশন করতে হবে
রিলেশন থেকে ফাংশন করতে হবে তা রিলেশন থেকে how can I make relation to function? How can I make relation to function? Very simple. If there are multiple movement for say one element, I would consider all the states as a group, so that there would be no longer more than one movement. Did you get it? Creating grouping here. So that's thing we are doing here. Is it clear?
স্যার যদি কোনো এলিমেন্ট ইউজ না হতো তখন
Okay, wonderful question. So let's take another example. It is a fantastic question. Let's take one where one element does not use. Can you give me an example? Sigma A comma B, language is what? Starts with it. We know NF is like this. I don't care if B comes first. If I get A, I should go here. Then I should remain in here. All right? Right? What is the table? Let's consider this one is A. This one is B. A, B. A is the start state. B is the final state. Now, I let us have A and B. A on A. What is the movement? B. A on B, there is no movement. So empty set. B on A, what is the movement?
So B.
B. And B on A, movement is B. Now we have to convert this one to relation. Now how can I do that one? Let's start again. Let's consider A. A on A, there is only one single element. That is B. Now A on B, there is no movement. Am I right?
Yes,
A on B, there is no movement. Why there is no movement there? Tell me. How we are so sure it should not have any movement? How?
So it is rejected, sir.
Because it is rejected. So how can we actually reject any string? How can we are so sure in a DFA that those strings are already going to be rejected?
So we have a death state.
If we go to
Not
a death state, and wonderful. So it should be death state. Now go to the A is already done. We created B, so go to B. Now B has A. What is the movement? B. B has B. What is the movement? B. So we remain last one D, and we all know that what is the movement on D? Death configuration means always remain in the death configuration. We are done. We are done. So what is the DFA? Epsilon. If it is A, string A, I should go to B, and B should remain the same state for A comma B. If I see a B, I should go to D, and I should remain in D. So this is the DFA. Did you get it? Did you buy it?
Yes, sir.
So that is the technique. So what happened here? If you draw this kind of relation, here the relation is something like this. A comma A is related to B, that is fine. A comma B does not related to anything. That means it is not used. And B comma A going to B and B comma B going to B. So all are fine. Only problem is here. So let's consider it is going to some D, death state, and death comma A we know that D, death comma B we know that D. Done. All right, guys. Do you have any more question? When you people are getting very expert in drawing NFA to DFA, you do not need even this table. Okay? Let's take another example. The last example of today and the very first example of today's class. What is that one? We are done with, start with A, done with, and with B, contain AB. আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো যে শর্টকাটে কিভাবে টেবিল না কি করা। A comma B, language is all strings contain A. So what is the NFA? This is the NFA. Now see, how can I draw? Starting from A on A going to A, and A on A going to B. So A on A going to AB. A on B going to BA, so it would remain here. Now let's go to AB. AB on A going to what? A is going to A, B is going to B. So AB on A in AB. A on B is in A, B on B is B. So B also this. So we are done. And what would be the final state? Containing B. So this. So this is the final automata for accepting all strings containing A. And this technique, this method is called subset. All this method, the tabular form or this one is called subset construction. Okay, we should stop here today. Next class we will do little more exercises on subset construction. That means converting NFA to DFA. Then we'll go to next one. But it has a catch. What is the catch? We can actually convert any NFA using subset construction to DFA. So NFA and DFA are equal in power. We should stop here too. So do you have any question you can ask?
Sir, last example
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
So এটাও তো ডিএফএ তে কনভার্ট করেছি স্যার, রাইট?
Yes, convert to DFA, right? We convert it to DFA, right? Do you have any more question you can ask? No question?
স্যার এখানে যদি আমি অল স্ট্রিং স্টার্ট উইথ এবি তখন স্যার কি হবে?
আরেকটা করতে চাচ্ছেন? আচ্ছা, করো। All strings start with AB. So what would be the final automata? NF would be like this. A, B, then I don't care what comes up. A, B, C. So what would be the DFA? A on A should remain. A on A should go to B. A on B, there is no movement, should go to this state. B on A, there is no movement, so it goes to this state. B on B, it is going to C. C on A comma B. Done.
Yes, sir.
All right, we should stop here today. Before that one, let's take the attendance.
Okay, sir.
Take the attendance, please.
Both.
Wait.
স্যার আমাদের অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা আসে না, মানে আপডেট হয় না।
কিছু করার নেই, আমি কি করবো? আমি তো কাজটা করে যাচ্ছি।
Yes, sir, বাট হচ্ছে না।
আপনাদের সেকশন 3 না? সেকশন 3 তো আপনার।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Section 3.
All right, done. So on the Saturday there will be the demo quiz. All needs to be participating in the demo quiz. Okay, there'll be some bonus marks over there, and please remember actually to use from your computer, not from your smartphones. That is important. And make sure a PDF viewer is already downloaded. All right, yes, tell me.